Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about some Linux command. In the previous video, I already discussed about some commands. So let's continue our lecture. Today, our first command is cd/. What this command will do? This command will is mostly used to go to the root directory. So it will take you to the root directory. Next command is cd tilde. So this command is used to change the current directory to your home directory. Okay. Our next command is cd dash. Cd dash. This command will take you to the directory you were in right before your current directory. Okay. So before this, we were in this directory. So we came back to the same directory again. Next command is cd dot. What this command will do? This command will not do anything. This command will keep you in the same directory. Next command is cd double dots. This command will move you to the parent directory. Okay. Next command is unname. What's the purpose of this command? This command will return the name of the operating system. If I want to know about the name of my operating system, I can use unname command. So this is the name of my operating system. Next command is unname dash a. What this command will do? This command will display the information of the machine, processor, architecture, and as well as detail of the operating system. So here you can see the name of the information of the machine, name of my operating system, processor architecture, and as well as detail of the operating system. Next command is W. This command will tell you who is online. Okay. So here you can see the user GPT is online. Next command is actually next we have an advanced level command. Okay, these commands you can use to install the package. Like we have apt get install package, and then you have to write name. So if you want to install any package in Linux, you have to use these commands to install any package. Okay. Next command we have is mostly used to if you want to search some keyword or some package name, you can use this command. Like if you want to search the name of the Python in your system, you can use this command. Okay. So if you already have installed, then you can use this command. Our next command is type. What this command will do? This command will show you the location of the command line. Like I want to check the location of command main, I will write type main. So it will show me the location. So my main command is located in user bin. Okay. If I want to check the location of any other command, I can use here I mentioned type, and then I want to check the location of the command ls. So here you can see my ls command is also located in the bin. Next command is su dash. What this command will do? This command will switch you to the root. Okay. And after this, you have to write the password name. So I will show you at the end. Next command is O command. This command is basically used for the data extraction or manipulation. So I will talk about in detail about this command in the next video. So next command is history. If you want to see the history for the last few command, like for example, I want to see the history of last 20 commands that I run on my system, I can write the command history and then 20. It will show me the list of all the commands. Here you can see all the 20 commands that I run on my system. Okay. My next command is lsof. What this command will do? This command will list all the open files that are in my system. Okay. And show all the process that I am using in. Here you can see the list of all the commands and process that I am using in. Next command is 8. What this command will do? This command basically schedule a one-time task at a specific time. Okay, here you can see. Our next command is which is a VI command. Actually, if you will use the VI command, what it will do, it will open the text editor. Okay, first I will show you the SU command, then we will go to the VI command. SU dash. So if you will enter this command, what it will do? Here, actually this command will switch you to the root, but here you have to write the password of your system. Here I add the password, but it is not switching, so they told me sorry, maybe my password is wrong. Next command is VI command. What this command will do? Okay, here I will create some file. This. So here what I want to do, I want to write some name. Actually, if you want to edit something inside the file, what you will do, you will press I. If you will press I, it will show you the insert option. Okay. After pressing I, what you can do, you can write here the name. Here I will write I love bioinformatics. So if I will write this, it will say, then after this, I have to definitely save this in my uh, this file. How I will save this? For this, what you have to do, you have to first go outside the insert mode. How you will go to outside the insert mode? You have to click on ESC. So we have to click on ESC character to exit. After this, if you want to save this, you have to click on Shift colon and then WQ. Okay. So I want to edit this file again to show you more about VI command. In VI command, if you want to move the character to the left, you have to press H. Okay. You have to go outside the insert mode and then press H. If you want to move down, I mean, if you want to go to the next line, you can put J. If you want to move up to the previous line, you have to press K. Okay. So here you can press J and you can go to the next line. You can press K, you can go to the previous line. Okay. If you want to move right, like you want to forward, move forward by one character, you can you can press the L. Okay. Then if you want to move to the beginning of the next word, how you can go, you can put W. Okay. If you want to move to the end of the current word, you can put press E. Okay. If you want to move to the beginning of the previous word, you can put B. Okay. Next, if you want to move to the beginning of the current line, you can put O. Okay. If you want to move to the end of the current line, you can press this S. If you want to go to the last line of the file, okay, if you want to go to the last line of the file, what you will do, press G. And if you want to go to the first line of the file, you can put double G. So we are here in the first line. And if you want to, if you want to insert something before the cursor, you can put small I. Okay. If you want to insert at the beginning of, if you want to insert a text at the beginning of the line, you can put I. Okay. But if you want to open a new line below the current line, you can put O. Okay. Then if you want to delete a word, for example, I want to delete a line, what I will do, I will press DT. Okay. You can't see any line, right? So if I want to like I mentioned something here. Now I want to delete this word. What I will do, you can press DW. Okay, you can delete a word. Then then if you want to delete from the cursor at the end of the line, you can use D. So these are all the commands. There is a lot of other, like if you want to undo the change, you can put U. So if these are all the commands like you can use in the VI, inside the VI. In the next video, I will make a complete video on the VI command, and I will show you how you can use this for your in your research work as well, and in your daily life as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.